so next up we have the front side grind. Now again, just like the back side grind, all it is basically an overextension of the front side carve. So as you get better and better at your carves, you're going to work your way up and eventually you're going to hit the coping. And you want to make sure that you keep your weight again inside the transition, just like you would on the carve. It's super crucial because you don't want to keep your weight too far over the top of the ramp because you're going to slide out and land on your stomach. So what you want to do is ride up, keeping your weight on your heels of your board, on your tail. Get a nice mellow carve going. Again, try not to drag your tail too much. And you want to just nick the edge of the coping. You don't want to get too far on top yet. Just inside like that, just so when you carve, you're just gonna nick that coping. And you want to make sure that carve is nice and even. And come back in, bend your knees, and ride away.